as an educator, we always want to participate in these different professional learning opportunities. And the best part is when you can decide what you want.
So the design studio is a professional learning opportunity. I mean, that's basically it in a nutshell. They're learning spaces for educators, presented by educators, which makes all the difference.
First, I'm going to tell you why you should use it, right? So that you know going into it, how this is going to benefit you, how it's going to benefit your students, how it's going to help, right, growth, and how it's going to make your planning more efficient and effective.
One of the fundamental parts of design studios is that it's interactive.
So Maria, you had said in the chat, does it take a long time to create these? Do you mean the screencastifys?
Yes.
At first, you don't want to make mistakes. When I started using it, I would stop and repeat stuff. But once again, once the pandemic started, I was doing these every day.
As a participant, you're not just sitting back and listening to a presentation, but you're getting involved. You're able to bring things with you and have educators and experts in the field take a look at them, help you through, and guide you along the way. You're part of that process. You become a part of that design studio.
That was great. I mean, I can't wait to play with it some more when this is done. You can see it would be really, really cool.
Awesome.
There's so much you can do with it. You can go in so many different directions.
The topics range in all different ways. However, their common thread is working with English learners and making things more effective, our instruction more effective for them.
That is like the heart of design studios, but at the end of the day, it's just good teaching practice. So you're learning strategies that really is just good teaching for all students.